Hyundai Motors India is busy upgrading its portfolio to BS6 emission norms. Now, Hyundai has launched the Grand i10 Neos BS6 diesel model in the Indian market. The new Hyundai Grand i10 Neos BS6 diesel is offered in 3 variants and retails at a starting price of Rs 6.75 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. Hyundai Grand i10 is one of the successful Hyundai cars. The BS6 diesel engine will be offered across 3 variants of the Hyundai Grand i10 Neos. This includes the Magna, Sports and Asta. The top spec Asta variant is priced at Rs 8.04 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The Grand i10 Neos BS6 diesel model is offered with an optional automatic transmission on mid-spec sports variant. The automatic diesel variant is priced at Rs 7.90 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The Hyundai Grand i10 Neos diesel BS6 model is powered by the same 1.2-litre diesel engine updated to meet the new emission standards. The engine produces 74 bhp and 190 Nm of torque. The engine continues to come mated to the same 5-speed manual or automatic transmission options as well. Apart from updated engine, the design and features remain the same. Features include automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, mounted controls on the steering wheel, electrically adjustable ORVMs, wireless charging, rear aircon vents and more. The standard safety equipment on the Grand i10 Neos includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensor, a high-speed warning alarm and a seat belt reminder among others. The Hyundai Grand i10 Neos is offered with a host of engine options and caters to a wider audience in the segment. The Grand i10 Neos comes with many best-in-class features and is expected to fare well against its rivals, the Maruti Suzuki Swift, the Tata Tiago and the Ford Figo in the Indian market. Automotive industry is busy launching vehicles online due to the current lockdown. Now some manufacturers have also started accepting bookings for the BS6 models. Kawasaki dealerships has begun accepting bookings for the BS6 compliant versions of the Ninja Z650 and Ninja 650. These bikes haven't made it to the showrooms yet but are expected to go on sale in June 2020. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Z650 BS6 motorcycles are open to pre-booking on the company's website. Both the motorcycles were scheduled to arrive in the Indian market during April. However, it has been delayed due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 and Z650 BS6 motorcycles feature a host of upgrades over its BS4 counterparts. Kawasaki had unveiled the Z650 BS6 during December last year and is expected to retail between Rs 6.25 lakh and 6.50 lakh, while the 2020 Ninja 650 was confirmed early this year and is expected to cost between Rs 6.65 lakh and Rs 6.79 lakh. All prices mentioned are ex-showroom. Talking about the changes on the 2020 Kawasaki Z650 BS6, the motorcycles feature a new headlamp cowl that is inspired by its elder sibling, the Z900 motorcycles from the company's lineup. With the new front fascia, the Z650 BS6 motorcycle feature a more aggressive and sharp design as compared to the older model. The upcoming Naked motorcycle also features LED headlamps, a new TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity for pairing your smartphone. Another major upgrade includes a 4.3-inch TFT screen for the instrument cluster. It also features the company's Riderlogy mobile application to enhance the connected feature experience. The Ninja 650 and Z650 uses the same engine. The 646cc parallel twin engine produces a peak of 66.4 bhp at 8000 rpm and a peak torque of 64 Nm at 6700 rpm. We expect the sports tourer to have an improved mid-range torque output in its BS6 format. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 and the Z650 are a pair of mid-weight sports bike in the Indian market. Performance motorcycles have seen a drastic increase in sales number recently. With the new upgrades on both the motorcycles, we expect them to fare well once launched in the market.
Jeep launched the Compass SUV back in 2017 in the Indian market. Since its inception, the SUV has been a popular name in its segment, as it comes loaded with several standard safety features. The Compass is available in a 5-seater variant, but there are reports that there are some new models expected to be launched in the country. Among the upcoming range of the vehicles is also a 3-row SUV 7-seater codenamed the Low D 3-row SUV, which could also be badged as the Jeep Grand Compass. Along with that, there will also be a new sub 4-meter SUV as well. The Jeep Grand Compass is expected to come with a longer wheelbase compared to the regular Compass. The styling of the SUV is likely to be based on the Compass facelift. It could get a revised grille and updated headlamps and bumpers. The Lodi 3-row SUV is also expected to get a large third window and S-shaped trim along the roofline. The Grand Compass could be powered by a 2.0-liter diesel engine. The 7-seater Jeep Compass is expected to go on sale in India sometime during the second quarter of 2021. Once launched in India, the SUV will go up against the likes of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace, Hyundai Tucson, Skoda Kodiaq and the Toyota Fortuner. The company recently launched the Compass BS6 models in India starting at Rs 16.49 lakh ex-showroom. It also discontinued the Sport variant, making the Sport Plus the new base variant in the SUV's lineup. The Jeep Compass has been a really successful model in the Indian market as it offers lots of space and lots of standard features. Volkswagen Polo is one of the most popular hatchback in the country and is one of the most running models from the brand Volkswagen. Volkswagen now has launched the limited edition of Polo and Vento. Volkswagen Cars India has launched the TSI edition Polo and Vento models in the Indian market. The new Volkswagen Polo and Vento TSI editions are based on the Highline Plus trim. The cars are priced at Rs 7.89 lakh for the Polo TSI and Rs 10.99 lakh for the Vento TSI. Both prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The two Volkswagen Polo TSI and Vento TSI models are limited edition. Both cars come with a host of cosmetic updates and changes, however remain the same mechanically. The hatchback and mid-size sedan are powered by the BS6 compliant 1.0-liter TSI turbo petrol engine that makes 110 HP and 175 Nm of peak torque. A 6-speed manual gearbox is standard on both models, and there's no automatic option. The Polo 1.0 TSI has an ARAI rated mileage of 18.24 km per litre in manual form, and when mated to the 6-speed manual gearbox, the BS6 Vento TSI has an ARAI rated figure of 17.69 km per litre. In terms of cosmetic updates, the Volkswagen Polo TSI and Vento TSI limited edition models feature sporty body graphics, blacked out ORVMs, glossy black roof and spoilers, stylish honeycomb grille, and a bold TSI badge graphics across the passenger doors. The limited edition Polo TSI and Vento TSI are based on their respective top-of-the-line Highline Plus variants, and so they share the same level of equipment. The Polo TSI edition, however, undercuts the Polo Highline Plus MT by 13,000, while the Vento TSI edition is priced a whopping Rs 1 lakh lower than the Vento Highline Plus MT. Bookings for the new limited edition Volkswagen Polo TSI and Vento TSI models have begun. Customers can book their model online, with deliveries set to begin across all dealerships in India once the market reopens.
Renault India had launched the Triber MPV in the Indian market last year, and it was very well received by the customers. During Auto Expo 2020, Renault had showcased automatic version of the Triber. Now it is confirmed Renault will launch the Triber automatic model in 3 variants. The company is expected to reveal the prices for the AMT variants this month in the Indian market, with the booking set to start from the time of launch. The Triber AMT will be offered in the RXL, RXT and the RXZ trims, with the base RXC missing out on the automatic transmission. Also, prices for the AMT variants are expected to increase by up to Rs 50,000 as compared to the manual variants. The Renault Triber AMT model was first showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo. At the time of the debut, the MPV featured a dual-tone paint scheme, which could be the only change on the automatic variants as compared to its manual counterparts. The upcoming Renault Triber Automatic will be powered by the same BS6 compliant 1.0-liter petrol engine. It produces a maximum power of 71 bhp at 6,250 rpm and a peak torque of 96 Nm at 3,500 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard, with an optional AMT on top trims. The Renault Triber is based on the brand's CMF-A platform that offers a spacious cabin while measuring under 4 meters in length. The Renault Triber is 3,990 mm long, 1,739 mm wide and 1,643 mm tall, with a wheelbase measuring at 2,636 mm. The MPV features a dual-tone finish with soft-touch plastic materials placed across the cabin. Other features include an LED instrument cluster, air conditioning vents for second and third row passengers, a 12-volt charging socket for all rows, a smart access card, and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and voice recognition. The company recently increased the pricing for the Triber MPV. The entry-level RXC variant retails at a price of Rs 4.99 lakh, while the top spec RXZ trim cost Rs 6.82 lakh.